Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix EETV box remote not working, remote pairing and button reset guide. To fix your EETV box remote, you need to factory reset the remote's internal chip and then repair it via Bluetooth to your box. An EETV box remote usually stops working due to lost Bluetooth synchronization, depleted batteries, or corrupted internal configuration data. Because modern EE remotes use smart wireless tech instead of basic infrared beams, minor communication errors will cause the box to ignore your button presses. Fix 1. Reset the remote. It clears stuck button data. First, press and hold the home and 9 buttons simultaneously. Keep holding them down until the LED around the EE logo slash icon flashes purple or aqua 3 times. After that, let go of the buttons. Your remote is now completely reset to factory defaults. Note, for older style EE slash BT TV remotes, press and hold AG, sub, and BT player together for 5 seconds instead. Fix 2. Pair the remote to the EE TV box Bluetooth link. Turn on your EE TV box manually using the physical power button on the front of the unit. Then point your remote directly at the TV box. Press and hold the remote and 7 buttons at the same time. Hold them until the LED around the EE slash BT icon flashes purple 3 times. Test the buttons. Your remote should now navigate the EE menus smoothly. Fix 3. Connect the remote to control TV volume and power. Press and hold the home and 9 buttons together until the purple light flashes 3 times. To test, hold down the power button for 2 full seconds. A brief press only shuts down the EE box, while a long press turns off both the TV box and the TV itself. Fix 4. Quick hardware troubleshooting. First, the power check. Press the EE logo button. If it does not light up at all, replace the batteries or double check that their positive and negative terminals are facing the right way. Next, the start button drain. Remove the batteries completely. Hold down the power button for 30 seconds to drain any leftover electrical charge inside the remote's board. Then firmly press every single button once or twice to release any keys mechanically stuck beneath the plastic frame. After that, reinsert the batteries. Next, TV box reboot. If the remote flashes but the box does not respond, unplug the power cable from the back of the EETV box, wait for 30 seconds, then plug it back in, and let it reboot completely before trying to pair again. Fix 5. Lost remote feature bonus tip. If you are troubleshooting because your remote keeps getting misplaced, the EETV Box Pro has a built-in locator. Press the WPS slash find remote button on the right side of the physical TV box. Your remote will emit a loud beeping sound for 30 seconds to help you find it. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.